Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. Here we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like, and simply tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also customize some of them. Some of them have settings icon below them. You can tap on the icon. And for this watch face we can edit the widgets. You can tap on one, and here we can select the widget. For example, let's select sleep. Then we can tap on the second one. Let's select air pressure, for example. And the last one, activity. And once you're done, simply swipe right on the screen or press the upper button, like this. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On the phone, let's open the Huawei Have App. Select devices, select our watch, Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro. Here we have watch faces category. Tap on more. Then tap next. Allow. Now let's tap on mine, right here at the top. And right here we have a list of watch faces on our watch, basically installed watch faces. And to apply one, simply tap on it. And then tap set as default, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.